Namaskar. Summary of Assam Tribune, 6th August. Number 1. Lebanon. The Republic of Lebanon is a country in Western Asia. It is bordered by Syria to the north and east, Israel to the south, and the Mediterranean Sea to the west. Its capital is Beirut and its currency is Lebanese pound. Khalil Gibran was a great Lebanese poet who is best known for his book The Prophet. Number 2. Central Bureau of Investigation. CBI is the premier investigating police agency in India. Its superintendents vest with the Central Vigilance Commission as well as with the Department of Personnel under the Ministry of Personnel, Pension and Public Grievances, which falls under the PM. CBI is neither a statutory body nor a constitutional body. It derives power to investigate from the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act of 1946. Admissions are going on for our new online batch for APSC that is going to start from 9th August. Also, Lucent Utility Crash Course 2020, which is a 4-in-1 integrated course for various government exams, is going to start from 23rd August and the fees is only 6,000 rupees. Number 3. Gopinath Bordoloi. Gopinath Bordoloi was a freedom fighter of Assam. He was also the first Chief Minister of Assam after independence. Gopinath Bordoloi first formed the provincial government when Muhammad Sadullah's government resigned in 1938. He played a major role in securing the future of Assam, fighting against the grouping provision of Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946. The Government of India conferred upon him the Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1999. Number 4. Doordarshan Assam. Recently, the Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting has launched DD Assam, a 24/7 Assamese satellite channel. It is a repurposed version of DD Northeast channel which was on air since 1994. Doordarshan started its broadcast in India in 1959. It is owned by Prasar Bharati. Number 5. Smart City Mission. The objective of the mission is to develop 100 cities all over the country, making them citizen-friendly and sustainable. 8 critical pillars of India's smart city program are smart governance, smart energy, smart environment, smart transportation, smart IT and communications, smart buildings, smart health hospitals, and smart education. Ministry of Urban Development is the nodal ministry for the implementation of this mission. Number 6. PIL. Public Interest Litigation means litigation filed in the court of law for the protection of public interest such as pollution, terrorism, road safety, constructional hazards, etc. PIL is not defined in any statute or act. It has been interpreted by judges to consider the intent of public at large. It is the power given to the public by courts through judicial activism. A PIL can be filed against a state or central government, municipal or public authorities, but not against any private party. Number 7. IRDAI. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is the apex body responsible for regulating and developing the insurance industry in India. It is a statutory body established by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act of 1999. And the headquarters of IRDAI is at Hyderabad in Telangana. Number 8. Production Linked Incentive Scheme. This scheme was launched to encourage large-scale electronics manufacturing in India. It proposes a financial incentive to boost domestic manufacturing and attract large investment in the electronics value chain, including electronic components and semiconductor packaging. Number 9. Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI is a statutory body established by the provisions of the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act of 1992. The basic functions of the Securities and Exchange Board of India is to protect the interest of the investors in securities and to promote and regulate the securities market. And the headquarters is at Mumbai. Number 10. Front foot no ball. Front foot no balls will be decided by the TV umpire and not the on-field officials for the first time in the history of Test cricket in the upcoming Test series between England and Pakistan. Recently, front foot no ball technology was applied in the ODI series between England and Ireland. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for regular updates.